Hi friends, it's Mora Bela, and today, do you see all the ingredients I have with me? Can you think and guess what you think we're going to be doing? Well, I have some flour and some sugar and my big red mixing bowl and a spoon, and I think that means we're going to be baking today. What are we going to be making? Well, I have my secret ingredient today, if you can see it, is a bag of frozen blueberries. So today we're going to be using the blueberries to make some yummy blueberry cake. Are you ready to get started? The first thing we're going to do is add some flour. So let me open up my flour, and we're going to put 1.5 cups of flour into our bowl. So let's get 1 cup. 1 cup of flour, and let me move my spoon, and I put it into my bowl. 1 cup of flour in my big red bowl, and 1/2 cup of flour in my big red bowl. 1/2. Ah, hooray! Now I have the flour. What comes next? The next thing we put is also a white baking ingredient. Next, we're going to put some sugar. Here is my sugar, and I open it up, and we need 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So I need to measure 3 of this size. Are you ready to count with me? Maybe let's count in Hebrew this time. We can count echad. Are you ready for the second one? Shtayim. And the third one, v'shalosh. Echad, shtayim, v'shalosh. Now we have flour and white sugar inside of a big red bowl. And I can put the sugar away along with my flour. What do I need next? Next is a third white baking ingredient. This one is called baking powder. Are you ready to measure 2 teaspoons with me? Here is my teaspoon. Should we count in Hebrew again? I can do echad, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, v'shtayim, and a second teaspoon of baking powder. Now we have all our white dry, we have one more white dry ingredient, I can't forget about it. We need a little bit of salt. Are you ready? I'm not even gonna fill it up, I'm just gonna put a little bit up, and I'll pour my salt in. So now we have flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, which are 4 white baking ingredients inside of our big red bowl. Are you ready to add the wet ingredients? Let me first take my spoon, and I'm gonna mix my dry ingredients together a little bit. Now they're all mixed. What comes next? Next is 1/2 cup of milk, but today I'm going to use almond milk. So it's usually when we drink cow's milk, and today we're going to use almond milk. It's made out of almonds. Are you ready to watch me pour 1/2 cup of almond milk? Okay, and now I can pour it in. Can you watch me? Now it's inside. That was our first wet ingredient. What comes next? Next we need 1/4 cup of oil. So let me get my oil. And this is my 1/4 cup. How do you say oil in Hebrew? In Hebrew we say shemen. Shemen is oil. And I can pour my shemen into my bowl. So now I have 2 wet ingredients so far, the almond milk and my oil. What comes next? Next, I need another ingredient. Do you know what this is? Here is my egg. My egg is pretty cold because I just took it out of the fridge. And I'm going to crack it into my clear cup. Let me crack it. And do you want to know how to say egg in Hebrew? In Hebrew, we say beitza is an egg. And here is my empty shell. I'm going to put it aside to throw out. And here is my egg. Do you see it? It's yellow. And it's floating in clear liquid, which is the egg white. And I can hold it up and look. There's no red spot, so I'm going to pour it right into my bowl. I'm almost ready to mix. The last ingredient I need before I mix my batter is going to be this little bottle. This is called vanilla extract. When we mix it into things, it makes our cake or our cookies taste sweet and like vanilla. And I need to do half a teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm going to pour it in to my teaspoon and pour it into my bowl. And now we are ready to mix. Do you want to see it before I mix it? See, it's not very well mixed together. Now I can mix it with my spoon. And while I mix it, do you want to sing a song with me? Today I'm thinking about Lag BaOmer. And Rabbi Akiva, did you learn about Rabbi Akiva with your moras? Rabbi Akiva was a very special rabbi who taught a lot of Torah. And one of the things he taught us was about Ahava Yisrael, which is being kind and sharing and caring with all of our friends and brothers and sisters and even people we don't know so well. So I have a song about Rabbi Akiva. He's saying, Rabbi Akiva said, V'ahavta l'reacha kamocha. Rabbi Akiva said, V'ahavta l'reacha kamocha. What's mine is yours, I'll share with you. If you need me, I'll come through. This is the way of our Torah. What's mine is yours, I'll share with you. If you need me, I'll come through. This is the way of our Torah. And that's about sharing with all of your friends. And there's another song that I like to sing that's all about being kind to other people. It goes like this. Don't walk in front of me, I may not follow. Don't walk behind me, I may not lead. Just walk beside me and be my friend, and together we will walk in the ways of Hashem. V'ahavta l'reacha kamocha, ze klal gadol b'Torah. And that's what we do on Lag BaOmer. We're very kind and loving to our friends, and we always do that every day of the year. Do you see my mixed up batter? It's all mixed up very well, and it's time to add my blueberries. So I'm going to take my bag of blueberries. Do you see the blueberries on the outside of the bag? Now you could do this with fresh blueberries that you buy from the store, but today I decided to do it with frozen blueberries. So I'm going to take my cup. First I need 1 cup of blueberries. So I'm going to pour them in. Do you see my blueberries? And I can pour them into my bowl. And I'm going to put a little bit more, not a whole cup, but pretty much a half. And pour them in. And now I have a lot of blueberries that are ready to be mixed into my batter. We mix them up quick. Oh, and my batter is turning a little bit purple. because blueberries have purple juice. And now it's mixed together, and I'm ready to take my pan and spray it so it's ready for my batter. I'm going to spray it so that my cake doesn't get stuck to it when it comes out of the oven. Now it is ready. And I can pour in my batter. Can you see it? Let me pour it in. It's a little bit thick. Let me put it in. I'm so excited to eat my blueberry cake. And now you can see I put all of my batter into my dough, into my pan. Do you see it's pretty purple? And there are a lot of blueberries in there. And I'm going to put it in the oven. Let me finish it up. I'm going to put it in the oven, and then it'll bake for a long, long time. And when I take it out, it will be yummy blueberry bread that I can eat for breakfast or for a snack. Thank you, friends, for joining me in making this blueberry bread. I hope you had fun watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.